So today I am going to be making Buddha's Delight for you all. I'm sure you all have heard of this dish before. Usually it is eaten on the first day of Lunar New Year, just because it's a vegetarian dish. It's a good omen to not be killing the animals just on the first day. I actually make this dish year round, and today I'm going to be doing it with a red fermented tofu, which is traditionally actually how it's done. And this red fermented tofu it's creamy, there's a little bit of depth to it, and I'll put the link down below in case if you guys can't find this, but I'll also include substitutes as well. And that brings me to my next point of, I think the hardest thing about making a Buddha's Delight is really like, there's quite a few ingredients involved. Like there's your dried mushrooms and like lily buds and you know, tofu skins and whatnot, and then you have your other side, which is just like a mix of different fresh vegetables. The thing to focus on is essentially Buddha's Delight is really just a vegetable, kind of like semi-braised vegetable stir fry. That is all that there is to it. We're gonna include, you know, certain flavors involved, but really like work with what you have. Like if you have fresh mushrooms instead of dried, like use those. If you have things that are like similar, you want to use whole tofu, use those, and don't let like things that you can't find stop you from making this dish, because it is really just a vegetable stir fry dish. So I'm gonna make it for you guys. I hope you all enjoy.